Morning, everyone. If you're waking up and looking outside this morning, you are going to notice things are very wet. We picked up just about a quarter of an inch here in Portland, and so far it's a pretty mild start. In fact, 52 degrees with east-southeast winds, about 10 miles per hour. So we've been talking about this wet day today, and it's just the start of it. In fact, you could see here on the radar for the last 6 hours this moderate rainfall pulling in, still more off towards our west. And in fact, we're dealing with some heavier downpours through the gorge this morning. Hood River this morning, picking up some moderate rainfall. Snow levels in the Cascades right around 7,500 feet today. So everything should be really rain out in that direction. And notice even down towards the south, Newport has been getting some nice downpours this morning. Statewide, very wet, especially up towards the north, extending all the way into Alachua County. Pendleton right now getting wet. The southern areas staying dry right now, but expect rain to start moving into your area later on today. So as we look at the planner, we're going to see showers this morning. Again, maybe a few pockets of steadier rainfall, but as we get into the afternoon, this is the area that I'm going to be watching very closely because we could see some heavier downpours coming in between about 3 and 6 p.m. and we could also be dealing with some ponding on the roadways for your commute home. Now we'll stay in shower mode through the evening hours, and then you're going to start to notice these winds picking up from the south tonight. We could easily see some gusts around 30 to 35 miles per hour here in the valley. So what we're going to be seeing in the upcoming future is this area of low pressure with the system going to be pulling in towards the Pacific North and West within the next 12 hours. In addition to the rainfall, what you're looking here is you're seeing these isobars. This is lines of equal pressure. Watch this area of low pressure pulling up, and as it does, notice how those lines get really tight, and that means that we're going to see those winds really increasing, especially out towards the coast. And for that reason, the National Weather Service did put out a high wind warning. So you can see that affects Astoria, towards Seaside, even Tillamook, down towards the Warrenton area. This begins at 7 p.m. this evening and goes until noon tomorrow. So winds up to around 65 miles per hour, not out of the question. Timing this out, again, shower mode this morning, a few pockets of heavier rainfall. But notice once we get into around between about 4 and 6 o'clock, here's the main line moving in. This is when I think the heaviest downpours will occur. Then we go back to shower mode overnight tonight, but then the upper level energy really comes in for tomorrow. We'll see periods of heavy rainfall, possibly maybe even a thunderstorm, and then by tomorrow night, snow levels start to go down and we'll see some snow in the Cascades. However, though, once we get past tomorrow, we really start to dry things out for Friday. In fact, we'll get up to around 62 degrees. Then we start to see rain developing once again Saturday evening into Sunday, and don't forget to change those clocks. We go up an hour. Monday looking wet at times, and then for Tuesday, we'll stay mainly dry with highs near 58. Back to you guys.